Welcome to Kohala Coast Living. This week we are in the neighborhood of the Fairway Villas down at the Waikoloa Beach Resort. We're going to check out a brand new unit that just hit the market, as well as a couple other units. We're going to check out the grounds, the amenity center, and drive through the neighborhood. So if you're interested in any of these units or this neighborhood, let's go take a look. Welcome back to Kohala Coast Living. Today, we're touring the Fairway Villas at the Waikoloa Beach Resort, a gated condominium community right in the heart of the resort. The Fairway Villas are known for three things: golf course views, a central walkable location, and a layout that works for full-time living and vacation rentals. As we walk through the community, I'll show you how it's laid out, what amenities residents enjoy, and what keeps Fairway Villas on the short list for so many buyers. Fairway Villas are made up of 15 buildings with a total of 172 condo units spread out across just under 10 acres. Fairway Villas is designed to feel open and intentional. The buildings are positioned along the Waikoloa Beach golf course, which helps the community feel more like a neighborhood with wide open green spaces. Instead of looking out over parking lots or neighborhood buildings, you're oriented to fairways, tropical landscaping, and wide walking paths. The grounds are beautifully maintained, and the overall vibe is calm and residential. Even during busy seasons, the Fairway Villas tend to feel quiet and relaxed. One thing buyers consistently like here is the consistency of the community. There's a uniform look and feel throughout Fairway Villas, and that continuity matters. It supports the character of the neighborhood and helps protect long-term value. At the heart of Fairway Villas is the Amenity Center, and it's one of the highlights of the neighborhood. The Infinity Edge pool overlooks the golf course, Kings Lake, and King's Shops, which makes this one of the most scenic pool settings in the resort. Nearby, you'll find a heated spa, a well-equipped fitness center, and multiple barbecue areas that are perfect for gatherings. One of the things I really love here is the open-air fitness center. Instead of being boxed into an indoor gym, you're working out in the fresh island air with plenty of space and a really peaceful feel. Everything is centrally located and easy to access, and the space is designed to feel inviting without being crowded. Walkability and location. This is where Fairway Villas truly shines. You're just steps from King's Shops and Queen's Marketplace, so dining, groceries, coffee, shopping, and entertainment are within an easy walk. Seasonal events, farmers markets, and live music are right outside your door. And when it's time for the beach, A-Bay is only a short walk or bike ride away. World-class golf courses, resort paths, and oceanfront sunsets are part of everyday life here. This is one of the few neighborhoods in Waikoloa where you can genuinely enjoy a car-optional lifestyle. Now let's head over and take a closer look at a unit that just hit the market so you can really get a sense of what living here feels like. Welcome to Fairway Villas C3, currently offered at $959,000. This ground floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bath residence offers approximately 1,172 square feet of interior living space, with 9-foot ceilings and an open layout that flows naturally from the kitchen into the living room and straight out to the covered lanai. And this is where the home really shines. The outdoor space feels like a true extension of the living area. The covered lanai opens directly to the first hole of the Waikoloa Ocean course, offering wide open views of lush fairways and beautifully maintained greens. Whether it's morning coffee or unwinding in the evening, this lanai is a space you actually use and one that really defines the lifestyle here. One of the things that sets this home apart is its larger floor plan. The kitchen, breakfast nook, and primary bedroom all feel noticeably more spacious, making everyday living more comfortable. This home comes fully furnished with new high-quality furnishings, making it truly move-in ready. Another major advantage is the location within the community. The Amenity Center is just steps away, directly across the street, giving you easy access to the resort-style pool and spa, open-air fitness center, and barbecue and gathering areas. Close enough to enjoy daily, but still quiet at the unit. This is Fairway Villas C3, a home that just came to market and offers exceptional outdoor living, golf course views, and a prime location within Waikoloa Beach Resort. Now let's take a look at a very different style of home within the same community. Welcome to N32, listed at $998,900. This upper-level residence features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a loft with approximately 1,237 square feet of interior space. Elevator access makes getting to the top floor easy, and the elevated position allows for mountain, golf course, and sunset views. Inside, you'll find a main-level primary suite, a second bedroom and bath, and a spiral staircase leading to a flexible loft space that works well as an office, media room, or additional sleeping area. This home has seen thoughtful updates over the years, including new flooring, updated appliances, a remodeled primary bathroom, and a new air conditioning system. It also includes a 1-car garage, which is a rare bonus in resort condo living. The Fairway Villas allow for short-term vacation rentals, which is one of the reasons this community remains so popular. Many owners choose to work with local property management companies, making it easy to enjoy their home when they're on island while renting it out during the rest of the year as an investment property. The Fairway Villas tends to work especially well for buyers who value walkable resort living, golf course views without the beachfront pricing, rental flexibility with consistent demand, and a well-established, well-maintained community. For many owners, the balance of location, views, amenities, and lifestyle hits exactly the right note. If you're exploring neighborhoods inside Waikoloa Beach Resort, Fairway Villas deserves a spot near the top of your list. Thank you for joining me today on this tour of the Fairway Villas at the Waikoloa Beach Resort. If you have any questions about this unit or this neighborhood, please reach out. I would be happy to help. And be sure to click on the link below so that you can sign up for my newsletter and be alerted of new property or neighborhood tours. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.